Hey, Tim's going to show you some progress on the van. So here we go.
So you notice that there's no sink here. I think it's a revolutionary idea to have basins. We're going to have up to 3 basins, one for wash water, one for rinse water, one for drip drying, or whatever. So we're going to have those basins here, and instead of a sink, it's going to save space. There's more drawer space that I can have underneath, and less mess. I think you can either throw the gray water outside, or you're going to dump it in the toilet and reuse that water for flushing the toilet. So this is the view you'll get out of the from your kitchen while you're making your food. This is called Matterhorn. Underneath here is a 46-gallon water tank. I have really one large opening in it here. Open this, here's the water. Inside are these corrugated plastic pieces that I've read on the internet will keep sloshing from happening. It's a pretty big tank here, as you can see. You could have a pretty big slosh potential. So that'll take care of that problem. And it's easy to access and maintain. You can see the pump down here. It's a submerged pump. And then we have the wire coming out of it. It's just the white wire here. And you have the tube. It's a rubber hose going from the pump. We also have a vent here. So this is the vent for the water tank. When it's fully sealed, it shouldn't leak. And this is a small opening. Water will not come out of here, but yet it will let air in. To activate the faucet, we will put a micro switch on here. So when it's activated, either way, the micro switch will go on and activate the water pump. This is called a base cabinet organizer. That I had that vertical shelf after the water tank was installed. I had 6 inches to work with, so this fit perfectly in that area. And it came with the kit that you needed to mount it. I also used some 80/20 kind of blind attachment system per another YouTube video. Our Caravan, that's OURKARAVAN. Guy's really good with 80/20 and taught me some lessons about how to use it. Here's our first cabinet. The 80/20 was arranged so that I could install this at the base. Attach it to the 80/20 Galley module, and when you pull this out, it comes out, and we have the soft close. It's by Blum with Blue Motion, and I've got to buy the faces on it yet, but we have cabinets, actually drawers on order for the rest that will fit in these areas. So that's it for the video. Hope you received some value out of this video, and stay tuned for more, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks.